If you're seeing a Framer login error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into your account without wasting time. These simple troubleshooting methods work for the most common login issues, whether Framer is loading strangely, your password isn't being accepted, or the login page just won't cooperate. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and easy guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Framer and give the page a hard refresh. On Windows, press Ctrl Shift and R together. This forces the browser to reload the page without using a potentially broken cached version. A lot of login problems happen because the browser is holding onto old files, so this is always the best place to start. After refreshing, try signing in again and see if the issue is gone. If the login still isn't working, the next thing you should check is the Framer status page. Sometimes the problem is not on your side at all. There may be an outage, maintenance window, or authentication issue affecting multiple users. If Framer is having a service problem, refreshing and retrying won't fix it until their systems are back online. So take a quick look at the status page before moving on. Now let's check your login details. Make sure your email address and password are entered correctly. It's easy to miss a typo, use the wrong email, or accidentally have caps lock turned on. If you're not sure about your password, use the Forgot Password option to reset it. That's often the quickest way to regain access if your credentials are no longer working. If Framer gives you the option to sign in with Google, try that next. Sometimes logging in with Google can bypass issues that happen with a regular email and password login. If your Framer account was originally created with Google, this can be the smoothest way back in. Just make sure you're selecting the correct Google account associated with your Framer profile. If none of that works, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old cookies or corrupted cache data can cause login pages to malfunction, keep you stuck in a loop, or prevent Framer from authenticating properly. Go into your browser settings, clear the cached files and cookies, then restart the browser and try again. This step fixes a lot of stubborn login errors because it gives Framer a clean session to work with. After you've completed these steps, try logging in once more. In many cases, one of these fixes will solve the problem immediately, especially the hard refresh, password check, or clearing cookies. If you still can't get in, the issue may be account-specific or related to a temporary platform problem, so waiting a little while and trying again later can also help. And that's it. You now know how to fix a Framer login error using the most reliable troubleshooting steps. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more software tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another Framer issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.